Now the mom money is so. If it's a boy, why you be a mammy? What if you drop on some impossible? And I did put you in Yami Madawasia, Namaya Bonia, Yasu Madawasia, Namaya Bonia fo. Ebeneze, why be a mammy? Yasu Mansioa, Kabwabia Timamio. And Shawa Brabemua, with fear from Baku and Iwase. Maybe I would never tell you what's higher. Hallelujah. Why are you in the monument? Hallelujah. Amen.
It's gospel time, high life time on DL 106.9 FM. Mr. Willie Ashley Sale, the man with a plan.
Osoro bekasa, mama kuma tomiye. Trust in the Lord always with all your heart and lean not on your own understanding. Yes. In all your ways, acknowledge Him. Definitely God will make your pass through. He will make your way. Definitely for real. Sister Edith, good morning to you. This morning, hope you're doing the listening and I believe the family is doing okay. It's another day, another brand new day, another brand new Monday morning, 27th of February 2023. Welcome aboard. I welcome you to DL 106.9 FM, home of great music, home of great legends. Yes, we're here to serve you better. Running from now till about, okay, just get it roll, all right? My name is Willie Ashley Seal. Makra, me mwakwa ba no pay. Mi chawa no pay. Now you from near Rano. And then see a Dafofro, and then Joda. Now you would have any moon some of the Benobania Nim. Monchibonka walk on Tim Pongs, yes, rather say. On my end, send a bear, you're not going to put your coshim. And no pay me chow. Memoquaba. Said a woman in the Ayabe Yaba. You crumb in your crumb. As you go from away, I don't from away. Tibia and never yaching and Rawati. Not your sense of sending Tibia or Channel Sube yaching there. I know just a wedding that soon and it has soon new hot dear. That is a one kind of home, so when it does so there's just okay home. It's okay and we didn't know when it does so. Then watch more crabble and Kahada. Debbie then Kahada. And a baby will be a good morning to you.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning to you. Good morning. Good morning. We've sung the whole night through. Good morning. Good morning to you. We've sung a tag or two. Good morning. Good morning. It's great to stay up late. Good morning to you. When we all began to sing, the stars were shining bright. But now the milkman's on his way. It's too late to say good night. So, good morning. Sunbeams will soon shine through. Good morning to you. Good morning. We say good morning to you.
When I get excited and my heart's delighted and the Spirit comes over me, I know there is no doubt you're gonna hear me shout, I'm feeling the victory. And if it bothers you that what I say is true, you better cancel your plans for heaven, 'cause I'll be there, shouting everywhere my sins have been forgiven. I'm gonna shout all over heaven, what a day it's gonna be. Gonna sing, oh sing the bass. We'll sing the harmony. Our fathers walk down in the streets of gold, in the golden avenue, and clap my hands and praise the Lord and shout all over heaven. I'm gonna shout all over heaven, what a day it's gonna be. Gonna sing, oh sing the bass. We'll sing the harmony. Our fans walk down in the streets of gold, in the golden avenue, and clap my hands and praise the Lord and shout all over heaven. When I hear the word and my heart is tear, joy comes to my eyes. It doesn't bother me if the tears you see are happy man am I. I know the Lord above is looking down in love. He's watching everything I do. And some sweet day I'll be shouting everywhere while sailing through the blue. I'm gonna shout all over heaven, what a day it's gonna be. Gonna sing, I'll sing the bass. We'll sing the harmony. Our first walk down in the streets of gold, in the golden avenue, and clap my hands and praise the Lord and shout all over heaven. I'm gonna shout all over heaven, what a day it's gonna be. Gonna sing, I'll sing the bass.
We'll sing the harmony.
I first walked down in the streets of gold in the Garden Avenue
and clap my hands and praise the Lord and shout all over heaven. I'm gonna shout all over heaven. What a day it's gonna be.
Gonna sing.
Sing, we'll sing the harmony.
I first walked down in the streets of gold in the Garden Avenue
and clap my hands and praise the Lord and shout.
DLFM DLFM Ewana Yeponyum Papa Efutu some equation some Ewana Mitie DLFM 106.9 Yedikasade Anyumpa Ebema Wafili DL The Panitama Kotie DL May say me right Ayampa Eyasinina Tiemu DLFM Awana Mitia Kwebie DLFM DL 106.9 If we are singing
Give us P capsules. Give it to me, baby. Give us core capsules as well. And man, memena koko yadie. Sisi yadie. Amamanya yem timotete womono. Yedrono no. Manumbi. Amama deme hon. Give us core capsules. Mrs. Moye D. Give us core capsules. I give it to you, baby. You give it to me. Oh, yeah. Hey. Give us, you know. Amen. Nijia bebusiemu papa. Na bemaka give us P capsules. And ni give us core capsules boom nom dia na eni jemi ahoden no waburo Give us P capsules and men what if you do what you do kronkwan na efa Give us core capsules apemfo abata wo mo manufo ne nkwada wo na fie dumie no nka ho e wo drugstore bia motofonko Give us Herbal Center Teshi Mobile and na Teshi Aduami phone numbers 0543 222 470 and 050 6851135
FD Ashusha sa ejodi enkra to imu ajiatu.
It was raining, and Jane Fraser was 5 minutes late for the school run. Now she is the late Mrs. Jane Fraser. Over half of all driving fatalities occur on rural roads. Think. Slow down. It was a misty morning, and Mark Taylor was running late for a meeting. Now he's the late Mr. Mark Taylor. Over half of all driving fatalities occur on rural roads. Think. Slow down.
Malaria etumi pao ahaso na permission mixer echiri tumi no permission mixer malaria duro ano nam me pede resource no ano nam wo de wo hia kefo Sulandia bisa no oh okay me ne me wife nyina ye boho ye yare wo bi antumi ne di ye koye malaria test na malaria mwa no bi wom
Bro kwadwo pepe ma me why
obepe bia ma na kefo sunso ache ye permission mixer no ene ekopa bie hwim ani nansa malaria no atutu afiri emu enu achi ya brefo no na atwe esunya malaria okono permission mixer na ko afei ana bro yebenya bi wo hiato pharmacies Herbal and over the counter medicine shops Kumase Dodo Adeni Pharma Accra nso Shagisco Pharmacy Okaishi 0555 388 046
malaria drop permission mixture
apemfo abato ma manufo ne nkwada wo ni mfiedu mienu na nka ho FDA agi edwedie nkrato yatum.
If you're going to drink plenty so you can't find your car. Don't drink and drive.
Makura umreni Makura Atrasiye Eyenyumbanku Makura We Ashley Afutu samning conscious Makura Atrasiye Obamaya ni Makura We Ashley Samsung Ha Okukudufu Bamba Wakana sanatiara Ekumi kurani na kuya bemno Eyim kuya di Uya buwe Makura Watrasiye Eyenyumbanku Makura We Ashley Samning conscious Makura Watrasiye Obamaya ni Makura We Ashley Samsung Ha Okukudufu
Makura on DLFM 106.9. Really actually young cock.
Me did Diana Hamilton, Utie, my brother Willie Ashley. I will DL 106.9 and that's what we'll come up with. Keep listening, don't change that.
Some malaria. What granny give us herbal mixture?
So according to Bue, and the more being rare, but I won't so bedo so can what when it doesn't quality, I don't give up yet, okay? Trinity of Arc Limited Company is a memoir 20. So Guso, and one Oguso, one what can we? And when you better home being rare, one so within I'm going so bad, in Tikaisa when it is so dear, and then I didn't know already the Hinipa. Say Canada and Opeso Canada, Schengen, baby Biara, Italy, Germany, France, Latvia, UK, Brazil, Romania, Dubai. Louisiana, Mexico, Australia, Serbia. Say yes, you could not pesa okana say a human pesa okoko ye. Trinity for the wow. Say obi kra pesa mo invitation I won't say acquiring because okwa uma. Eba ni sanso wa ha oni pako. E yinti be mo aso ate say Trinity folks obeya ma odudu. Obe ma won saka visa baby a pesa okobia no. Obeya ma odudu. Be pa one telephone number sa huru abi ni ma me fama 0205 57 2076 0205 57 2076. Afe number to share being a 0244 062 389 0244 062 389. Trinity for was walking wire cradles will be brought to do.
Mr. Willie Ashley Sale. Mr. Willie Ashley Sale.
When
18 minutes after 7. Me pacho permission Herbal Center. What's an open me you as with you? Eti benga wo. Wona metutu. Endo dwon to me na. Afi wenu muso atu udidi enko. Wona mnyina ya wo yao. Obi de nsa kan okra je. Me pacho bomode ana hwehwe eye permission mixture. Wo hwehwe na unsa beka no be hu no dodo ate. Permission mixture. Afi your permission Berma capsule. Permission Berma capsule. Oberma etomri bi ana ade ne ehodwo. Me pacho bi ana ewadwinwini mu. Enyamba ne saa. Emfa ni je nso mafie. Wanhwe ya asamato. Ye wosisi yare bi ho a anu ye din ye papa. Se wosisi ye wo ya opi. Na se wanhwe ya untumi kura nko wo kani ho. Ebisa wo hawo. Na so hawo no. Eye permission Berma capsule. Obeboa wo besi wa no kwan ema wo nso why free. Eba ne se DJ beba fie. Because sisi no. Eja wo ya wo ye. Dia, obetuma Kenya ho. Na mu sisi no. Enya koba ne sa me pacho etumi effect anim ho. Effect anim ho san so pe wanhwe ya asamato. Enu ya ti ase awu, oti ase nso no wawu. Eya ahomete o mesrel. Eba ne sa wagoridi no enso ani. Ti bomodin e na hwehwe me. Me ding dey Berma capsule. Me di wakagine mu ate. Afemi to mirika dia ba yang me ya no so. Ade ya ahomete na ya yawo. So bon so bia bi ebu ne nsa. Na okawmu. So ne busum bia ba beso a na adan ayiyo. Enye so bi mpo na awu oni fi. Ana wahwera de kasi bia afi na abrabom da bi na mom no wonam dua no. Ena obre wom. Obre ne den ene se na yase eka ne dwe. Obre okwa fichira ohun ne ho anokra me pa chawo. Imprenga ye wo hoyi enuru aba. It is abira mi wasuti wi intwen tutumrikantem na kope feminine capsules. Eye permission feminine capsules. Emiane ebedi mo akagina mo ate mo be ye free. Wapena che dodo akwanya na da ho ene. So mo ene yenko. Obetima free K4 Landi. E wo telephone number sa hwe bien so. Anasa Sheikh Gisco Pharmacy e wo kanshi. Sheikh Gisco Pharmacy number e 0242 36 2224 0242 36 2224. K4 London number no so ni 0355 388 046 0555 388 046 and I say 0555 388 006 0555 388 006. Permission Herbal Center, producers of Permission products. Asida eyamodia yanko.
Some malaria. What granny give us Herbal mixture?
Mr. Willie Ashley Sale, the man with a plan.
No payara babe fiju media se sene onim se de bia ye no enche ye ne lawyer Frank Afrifa bebon komo na mofra basabi ya twon aso e obra wo call so koyi apata achem osoro ase na mofra yi won atwon aso e nsu bia da ho ase nsu no ya ya teni se wonyim nam wonyim apata mofra basan e bomodin akoyi apata yi bi minya video bi hwa ibiri bi atwam na wo hwa sania na mo si susu ifa otum se yiw ya meteni se wonwe wonyim nam wonwe wonyim nam mofra no akoko yi nam ni bi ye be call na fe atwetwe nkomo ne ahu ne akoko si afei Akwatia Technical Institute students no we se mbiri bi atwam school na efra biribi se homo oba ye be homo pa teach we say we first year student we were school ho ye be homo pa na Akwatia Technical Institute student ba ko eye senior or the belt send you see ahwe abranti bi afa abofra bi afa or the belt send you see go on the final for Sunday oyi ni so tore ba ko no eya hometi wiye papa ye be kan wasem ye be show video ni nyina ama mo hwe enti wo a wo hwe ye wo uti ansabri adopa ye mo ache mo akwa aba edi ba dia 106.9 FM so afei video bi aba bontin sa video no so eye movie me sure say last week what say ye kan ye dey asem bi ba na fi kro bi so kro na sama e bai ne say papa sofu bi okro ma asem okokan ne say emi ne ba sora memo bi ansha dross memo bi ansha pioto e say Yesu ba besra wo minim ba bi Yesu ba besra wo be fa de aba ye kan ho asem ha na Ghana ha mi bi atwam abranti bi oye movie director oye movie anani movie no oye no na oyi mia sinwi o shevu mia no ba ko so ogina ankuram wagware no wi awasese hunso dia ma sorma no wanom actually okopie eye CID headquarters ye gura mu do mo suko na chese eye movie na ba ku bi ode aba oh my goodness me must be stand say to me ko be dey adent na ye nso de ye ntumi nka emia bi ode won agina soro dem na emia no ade a wo hye bikini wo hye dross and a brazier pe and we kita microphone emia no 3 and we kita microphone what to jom na wo hye video na e asefem e ne say asa ye munyame ye mfa awrade nya hwe the movie director no pay ya de ne be kasa they couldn't your money yes ya bon hu modern so ase ne eye producers eye movie producers bi nso benya nkita hodi minim se ne opeso trend fa emia no so minim se bi ne duobuo se mo pese mo ya stars a minim se no kwan be so mba stars ne no so ne de ya ana pay ye be hwon nsem ne aka ye hia no otomfo ye be bo ho ana pay ye mo ache mo akwa ba bi
Mr. Willie Ashley Seal, the man with a plan.
Some malaria. What granny give us herbal mixture?
It's official. DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
When
It's another day. Welcome to your breakfast show with the man Willie Ashley Seal, the man with a plan on DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9. Education, information, and entertainment right here on DLFM 106.9. DLFM 106.9.
Maybe move them the 33 minutes after 7. Okay, yeah, recall. Let's go. 3 boys and 1 7 being punished after fishing. Mufrey, okay, me mean your Burma reporter A. Van Brown. Achem Osrase in the Eastern region. Van, good morning.
Good Good morning, sir.
Who to the pay? Yansu Yamia Dum Yamuipa. Adiachi didn't say that's all my. Of course, say I didn't show the nature with any does, and that's what you see, and that's all my.
Sure.
Right. One, and then I summon up by it, say 3 boys, Yako punish you, then I summon as you.
Oh, okay. You're my chief when you're not acting an operation. Now, yes, you are at him or Strassi, and it's a Yawada Nichemuno. You should be your friend. Now, the Ekobine said, Uncle Ekoku Enam. Okay. You should be Munam. For many years, you should answer Kuramotri and then you Munam. And a memoir means Ekusima from 3 a.m. and I'm home for you, Munam. Na ba na sa no bia ni nanso okonfo another chief minister of come sa issue no am obai okwan ntwi ko ka kire o hin say na memu ebi akwa hoye entina de o se o ya ne se wo twi ne so na obo dawru obaka ma mo twi ne so bo dawru na memu amienu ba bonten kuki kuno ana kuki bent ba bonten be ka se no question ye okonfo ne kanu no kure amo ana moko insuru ekuko yi munam na de we dey kan se wo ye amamre ni amandi bi ese fata emomo anya sa memura yini ebe to ana nanu mo ye do enu okonfo ne ba bonten kure ka se wo se wo to ekuna daka ba ko na wo to enyan na wo to mpontin ne mo snap na wo de amamre emomo nke ya se ana wo ko insuru ho ko ye amamre ni amani bia esena epatana esewani ento kakre na emwa ya pitin se bukumu na na so ituno ebe ene
Van Meno can say you show on Facebook. You show boy back on I don't know so no. What did you survive?
So ekoyese amoye stubborn castle you still munam die amosi yenwe nanso ye die be den ye be ko ni akwachi na na die bisi esi ba ku a onu ka wonu de wadwan de onu no yo wo nte ba ne sana no obu na ketema wadwan na shukuru mu nanso mienu a amoye kromafo na die amona amonko su nam no kroma ye bu na adaka no ana wodi nam no because okonfo na kire nam na memua no akwachiwom no amu ya besie ana amu ye ne ma enti ensi omu sa akwa na wo si omu tanya ni ko nam no be adaka na se amada ko si ya ko ya mu amamre na mu na mu nam no tanya wo ni ka tete enti hu adaka no ene nam no ana se ko nam no edu adaka no mu aba ko si na so video ni ko enam na kase ko kwa na ya da kare issue ne se wonje teno men na ko akko ni ya wonje teno do ni se tamu ya na se issue na je ni se do ko kana ni ko tamu ya ko so ma na ya we ko na da be
Coffee Prince na
and I'm not those. I didn't see Yawada. It's a addiction if Fiadano.
Yeah.
And chief minister and I say Confona or come issue. Issue the Chineboa. And Chineboa Confono and Obabo and say, I say, ne mbo akonko ne ba bon tin kan so ne kwase amku ne no grad me mo no ba bon tin kan se yen ni ayi ta di we san se won the kan na e wu fan so ana
wow okonfo ne yede na me ba boy si kochire nam no wode akọ wonfi kokko ye ho adwuma ahemana chen so se ne akane no sorry ko nsu no ko yi nam no inti na chese okonfo no hui e no nya atenka e de asem ne ba bonten wo boda wuro krom ho e ye den ansa na asem no no kware ne ba bonten
na wo kanu za ko hu masem na ka hu masem de sumo de wani wana na wo ho obien ho ohu ye ana nso mu so de ko mu ko yi nam a obi ntiri ntiri se o na nam na mo ye 80 ne guma na sa mo ye 30 ne gum enti na de che ne so ake ni na ye hu masem ko obien hu enso za nse okonfo na okom eye twene bo nso twene bo ano ehu masem nti ye ade tie no hu ye ano ti ko ahiti e ko bo jase ene nam na hi na o hin ni mpeni kwa maneke sei ni na me hu ni dire wo se okonfa ba be kakere na wo se podo ni ni ka ko potiam o ye sa de ni oba bo nti ebe yi no ho ano basem ba ta na mbo de me mo ni da me ta na nso e ka sa mo ti ko mo amu ni de mai e ta mo ta ba ta mo bai ana mo de amu ho ebe tere se yen ana ye sa de mo fa ye bo ni ana mo the condition ka ana se amu mo ni ama ho so mo ye conform to amount of 3,000 million can no so e sika o ta to mo to na amoda ya amanye ene amanye no ama o nti kan yama lo nyina etini akoso a ye ndo akosia amo na sika mo su na aka ememu anu e de ba mo aka mo so ene mo
van anope e beda wase papa koso na juma pa e kiri be san kasa o she Facebook a ba to bit ma share live o she ne kosi a video na nuni insu no de twene a ewo achem osurase in the eastern region o she nam na utum say you ampa wagu insu ma che so wodoso papa men video no bi ahwe pen a na enkrofo gina wototo brodo ni ade aduan de ma emoa no na say adwene de wo so suo na mpa biare agina mte se hwe me kwa nka me akọ tobi no sister bi sa na mo wo wi o wana mpa mbe betina hi Which Facebook and I see. One and nuni. 3 boys, ya punish one. Obakode, where you from, or not your hole. The minimara, so back of survive there. On pen was a moon to be no messing cockroach. Send an American. Let me surrender to be quiet by my back. And yes, as some pana to know. Okay. 18 minutes more to hit your rate. Okay, Sabri mrekɔ lawyer Frank Afrifa ho. Na ansa na no me pacha me pese wo hwe video bi. Me pese wo hwe video bi. Sa video no acha say a movie. Na me pacha wankasa hwe video no na hwe say if it's okay. If it's right. Say ye bribi yete say ana. Ewo onyame fi. Is it okay for us to do so? Ewo onyame fi ana. Me pacha yanko video no so.
ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi papa ko we know je say we nya mesumu nti we ba je say de nya me nya mu nti no we betin bi ko jina so de ni bo wa ga de po ko kun woni ke we di aka se to ba pa he ke no kun woni do bi so fu pa sa se si anu mo te Ghana o de se won so don ha oh nyango bona huna ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi papa ko we know je say we nya mesumu ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi papa ko we know je say we nya mesumu nti we pa je say de nya me nti mu nti no betin bi ko jina so de bo wa ga de po ko woni de we bi aka se to ba pa he ke no ko woni do bi so ko pa sa se si anu mo te Ghana o de se won so don ha ye kan ye ka Ghana nyango bona mu ye kan ye ka Ghana ko bi se bi papa ko ni nya mesumu ni no je say nti we ba je nya mesumu nti we ba je say je nya mesumu nti no wa ga de po ko ni bo we bi aka se to wa ga de po ko woni we bi aka se to ba pa ye ke no woni do bu so Ghana o de zo zo don pa sa se si anu mo te Ghana o de zo zo don nyango bona mu
nipo kasa no kasa bi ogunti
nyango bona mu
wa gwa ni bu afu oi no ho hwea enye ye lawyer Minia, good morning sir. Hey Minia anti ni ati huni ni ati huni eti na impo say ye movie na wucha papa lawyer emremu no. Is this right? So what the past a minimum they say I'm ready governor here because some you are share. Yeah. Yes sir. Students is ready for you. Your brother Joseph.
Makura de ba ko a me mamu yeah. I don't know whether
on your movie director.
But the band or the some for so dear Baba Ebesa.
Hey, and no bet to me. That's
the point. And then I made anytime no, the Bible.
That's right.
No, now I yes I am away in on my you I be criticizing where we are near Bonabaso. So I had here.
Too bad.
Movie industry, no, I believe sir. There is a law. But the fact of the matter is I pay we are
right.
Sabi, I deal we are all yellow. And fuck him. Now, and fun for Sobia some
right.
I don't know where you know SSLB. I think SSLB on out to make up. Oh, yes, and what is the basis? As the power potential, what I understand, and now this is the hour. Oh, yes, sir. Now the Bible, and
the very first time, okay, we invited CID headquarters. And okay, so a movie na a movie no ore because a day ekoso. Name say ekoso asorben. Asorben.
Minimum Ghana high.
Yes.
Asorben and what say omo ye naked church.
What say you be ase? What say why?
Sir, and then I say yes yatra. So kaya American omo church be like that.
Right. Naked church.
Yeah. Omo kwado omo shepe.
There be naked church.
Naked church.
Yeah.
And no and na wo hwe and o dey yes ade no. But Ghana ha ye me who you try who you okwado and where you Dominica.
Sir.
There is no church in Ghana here. Yeah, I'm operating like this.
What I said last week, you can't story about other Krobi and so funny say member me and shirt dross no.
Yes.
You can't want some. Every me winning ya make and say Abranti then no ye. I gonna bang the nipa walk outside back Jenny Afghana who say Ghana for dia mu ye.
Man say Ghana has a piano, you have to show your famous and now you know. Okay, different. Yeah,
no, or they are trending. Thank you.
Ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no betindi ko gina so dani ne bo wa ka de papa fu woni we bi aka se to ba pa he kenu fu woni do biso fu kwa sha sensi ya no mo te hu le ti Ghana o de se hu so don ha nyango bona hu ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no betindi ko gina so dani ne bo wa ka de papa fu woni we bi aka se to ba pa he kenu fu woni do biso fu kwa sha sensi ya no mo te hu le ti Ghana o de se hu so don ha
video guy no white
nyango bona hu ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no betindi ko gina so dani ne bo wa ka de papa fu woni we bi aka se to ba pa he kenu fu woni do biso fu kwa sha sensi ya no mo te hu le ti Ghana o de se hu so don ha nyango bona hu ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no betindi ko gina so dani ne bo wa ka de papa fu woni we bi aka se to ba pa he kenu fu woni do biso fu kwa sha sensi ya no mo te hu le ti Ghana o de se hu so don ha nyango bona hu ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa
who damage yourself?
Who damage you? That is wrong.
Because me and Maria, omo say.
Yeah.
Somehow we know time maybe
Okay. Ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no betindi ko gina so dani ne bo wa ka de papa fu woni we bi aka se to ba pa he kenu fu woni do biso fu kwa sha sensi ya no mo te hu le ti Ghana o de so hu so don ha nyango bona hu ya kan ya Ghana for bin se bi papa we know je say we nya nyamesunu nti we fa je say dia nyame hwe mu nti no
wo nya fam no yeah
oh disgrace you we criminal me criminal more active yesterday.
Yeah.
I mean who say Sabi open the most famous prostitute in Ghana. Yes, I'm here we are. The famous prostitute. So a police come can so ASC.
Right.
Me from ko ni mu bia o ASC.
Right.
And it's no oh yeah what dey say be trending because obi akoye bi be some person be bia. Obi anko na the crowd the bass as so.
Right.
Obi anko na the botaya the bass as so. Bako ya na moy. Sure amount position no. Sure you say you dey na shame.
Yeah.
Makwa unim kawa session crofo na session.
Asemo.
Unim
Debi.
Editi who ya de bia obi ye na de a emfa won to obi. Oh, emfa won to obi. Because this action, we need to condemn it.
Right.
We need to condemn it.
Right.
Uncle Fantam for Uncle Korea, so may act me.
Hey.
Seka, and then I gave a china.
Gadia Yashon.
Gadia Betchina now. Oh, Mama, I said, Yamia Seminole, Yami, Yankopon, Aseminole, Mobuni say a concert.
Right.
A joke keke. Yadi Yabi keke, but Omunia of Unia.
Yeah.
Oh, say, I give a quiet how many say.
Yeah.
Such person, you know. A baby baba, ama, what Bibiatono. Now, you have a cat that says, you may just can't even but no one needs to know one person in your mouth and one as a crab.
Right.
Maka, on say, I did be a piano, whether we like or not. We pay for it.
We definitely pay for it.
So, you pay for it.
Definitely.
So, Hannah, and maybe a chair.
Yeah.
May refresh your memory.
Okay.
And maybe a chair. Not Ghanaian films, no more year films here. I'm saying, money, you almost. Okay, I just go more year crusade.
Yeah.
I was gonna have cassette yai.
Mekaipa.
So you move in Yama and Yen, sir.
Yes.
That's so okay. I just go. I just go more sorry.
Mekaipa.
A year crusade,
yeah.
So, but what the end, one I said, Drew, so to obey it. And it is that guy, they have to call him.
Right.
All of them, I said, police is inviting the beers. Who tell me?
Mitiopa.
Police is inviting the beer, no more on Sembi, or one Sembi, I saw answer. So answer some questions.
So what you the first time, no? We're releasing into from there and one yan she into no a manasang. Yes.
Ya kan ya Ghana for bisa bibi jumpa papa. We know what you say. We nya misumu. Nti we pa je say dia nya me ndu mu nti no betu bi ko gina so dani ne bo. Wa ka de pa ko fun woni. We bi aka se to. Ba pa he kenu fun woni. So bi so fun. Kwa sa se fi anu mo te Ghana o. Ye je wo so don. Ah? Nyangu bona huna. Ya kan ya Ghana for bisa bibi jumpa papa. We know what you say. We nya misumu. Nti we pa je say dia nya me ndu mu nti no betu bi ko gina so dani ne bo. Wa ka de pa ko fun woni. We bi aka se to. Ba pa he kenu fun woni. So bi so fun. Kwa sa se anu mo te Ghana o. Ye je wo so don. Ah? Nyangu bona huna. Ya kan ya Ghana for bisa bibi jumpa papa. We know what you say. We nya misumu. Nti we pa je say dia nya me ndu mu nti no betu bi ko gina so dani ne bo. Wa ka de pa ko fun woni. We bi aka se to. Ba pa he kenu fun woni. So bi so fun. Kwa sa se anu mo te Ghana o. Ye je wo so don. Ah? Nyangu bona huna.
Na mo we hu se so ye collect na. We go there I am nonsense. I am stupid. I speak excuse my language.
Yeah.
And yet I didn't fuck with because how? Not my teacher how you want church and say this is what we have.
Okay.
So we describe us how we are 2 near. But the panel come on. Come from Soviet.
Right.
You are really a prostitute. And the prostitute go out of brothers they almost format they have so many rules over the
yeah.
But who they will say you show it. I'm a beer. That's will be a BB never found because now to me you.
Right.
Movie industry, no. They have to call this guy. They have to bring him into book. So let me try. Yes, and almost movie. The same no year and no cover to it.
So
let me try.
Yeah.
Christian counseling as so far. They should get up and condemn this act.
ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi jim papa we know what you say we nya mesimu nti we pa je say de nya me nya mu nti no betin di ko jina so de bo wa ka de pa ko fu woni e we di aka se to ba pa he ke no fu woni do bi so fu pa sa se si anu mo te Ghana o de se hu so don ha nyangu bona hu ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi jim papa we know what you say we nya mesimu nti we pa je say de nya me nya
ena ebi nso gina nkyɛn a why wo ho asɔfo
ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi jim papa we know what you say we nya mesimu nti we pa je say de nya me nya mu nti no we betin di ko jina so de ye bo wa ka de pa ko woni e we di aka se to ba pa he ke no fu woni do bi so fu pa sa se si anu mo te Ghana o de se hu so don ha nyangu bona hu ye kan ye ka Ghana for bi se bi jim papa
wapim
anya dia wo benya so wa bla bomu da
okay
because our destiny but only direction
right
only direction
okay
so we must condemn that a bad act ye pesca makwa ye pesca ye say ye pesca
Debbie
o be so ye famous and now obi ahu now ye o ye legend master when ye legend
Debbie I don't think so. Ghana High doesn't work like this.
I mean I was 30 years I no on me can say I want to say no haje I want to say no haje other people say I want to say no mo haje we are the power your boy
if you him said because you dum the phone cry
we are the power your boy so
we dum the phone ya
friend your boy so
right
the bonny ebekum bonny for
okay lawyer
anything na mabra
yes sir
say ma we na bash for entertaining no
Debbie it doesn't happen
such action we that go you know you have to entertain
Debbie
so it best say and you papa out the condemn stadium
okay
because I ain't shoot in the fine and the answer idea what they are saying was say we na me and you will come no crown na or some be more a different than the
Matipa
what come no or some be now or some no
yeah
almost say on right no chidomre omo na on say nyankopon adwuma so
Matiasipa
on say nyame adwuma no o ma nipa nyina hu say bible no kra tumi bi anya de tani anything or some no wo no e ho adwuma no wo ye
okay
it is a person no you who say we a different person
okay
now also what they will am about some we enye ade bi e ni da ho say obi ni bia makra
yes sir
abia our coach
sure
then you fanyi general asiri nketia was school bi pa jimi what jimi and what jimi
that's right
makra omo ye jimi po no masa wo ye the day obeko ada dia na Ghana happy ebi no fa kwa bi so punko ko bebe o mu wie yen nko na asa to gogo ma so dem I think sometimes there wo any maybe wo a eye di sua what the beto a when so bia ya den e fa mu aba
right
obi e fa mu aba ba nye bibia nye pa say enye bibia na makwa ye di pesika o
Debbie o
nye bibia na ye di pesika wo pa so jo no kwa ma ho every who say wo na wo but I didn't know ye no that chi bi no e ba affect you e ba affect you but when you we on say now no dey wo
right
makwa I say asichere
yeah
on say wo di ade da on say te ba
sir
but just am ya na wo dey ho
Debbie
on to say ade na ye dey abeto
right
anything no onye careful na dey o ye no eye musuo
yo like Frank FIFA no pay better was pa no message about unchen bio about okay say you go school na your free BBC bully you bully and I say dimba ko dempo homo ana e homo Uko school de BC. Uko school near Homoda.
Oh, yeah, you must get a baranda so my boss. I know what's when you know
Moja. Your video be Aquatia Technical Institute. Yeah. Echem. Now, what you're saying, your boys. Yeah. Yeah. Video. Right. Show video ni bio. Okay. You. Okay.
Because I gave you a macra.
Yeah.
You.
Now, on Yambia, what to say? What to say? Say, sooner down one human. What it wouldn't say?
My sister and you, but macra. Obia will be asked and say, you know.
Right.
You will show you a yes, it's answer, no. I'm passing, a GDB on the tour.
Okay.
I'm paying for the cattle. And I don't believe in it. I don't think that I have a problem with them.
Okay.
But I'm trending now. I'll conform to trending on any habit. Because I just of going now. I saw going in back with this and soon be about. After the sense you never yes. I'm on for the Baba Holy Water. I'm on for the Baba Jolly. Because in some ways, you know, I say and to medium who is there a business dinner
business because unto me you see and find your business. Yes, sir.
I condemn it.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Okay.
And to me,
yes, that's all. That's it. And that's a winning. As Dibrika, yo.
It's not proper.
Okay.
And I'm a friend. Also, a damn show. I did 30,000 or 3,000.
And then and then will be the papa. And then will be Dankasa. Lie no pay. Yeah.
I stop it in Jesus'
name. In Jesus' name, I stop it. Then I was supposed to pay. Okay. Also, Saudi Arabia. Thank you so much. 11 minutes after 8. To make a Sabri na a young movie director back or your movie or your award winner. Didn't the Frank Fifi Gabin? Minia Frank had a good morning, sir.
I'm a Josh Minia.
What did I mean?
When I'm here tomorrow and I'm on Bible.
At the radiasi. Frank, we are actor, we are director. How many years?
They said every person may come back 20 years.
Welcome 20 years.
Yeah.
Wow. Mini can miss a me pacho movie be about out. I'm saying you can first one be by me sure I would want some. Movie director be or the blanks.
Yeah.
Or anti movie be na oshevu emease.
Yeah.
Be a problem. Okopie side headquarters in another one be no so na minimal side the same movie na ojina ankre mu gware ame asese unsuru mankrofonom eni hunsu. Now another one be about Benisa when you be asha.
Me pacha manya be are.
Okay, me pacha edeng ne nya work found because you being an actor. When him Ghana for yensu and then the sunny I am banti. Who be said pacha deng ne nya udwene and I deng na work for sa movie ho.
Any kind of I pastor blanks in you be a minimum pa. I think some me director in be one client chair me feature no cry e.
Okay.
Now, or by no, many no di and come be. And now on Waka Samra or yes, that in Nana Ushivu and Martino. Many 1-on-1 a debate, a Kantanka at TV. Okay. I think at that time, Momonaguchi, and they would see that entertainment show. No. Okay. And my hot debate by in Ghana, he has to set the oil and a year, not a But in the end, no Utimika Ugani free a studio when to me, Anya thing. Outfit me. But I think that me man of simple issues in film making you have very big time and place of the action. And you know, in as much as you say some will be a fake. If you know a say no, you have very big time and place of the action. Right. A time of pain and a stop no a yes a place the bank. Now a sabi so will be I ask the Kurana. Meaning it will be in full view of the congregation. Right. And I say, I saw him money. What if you have Obetina for baby, counseling, the office baby, maybe our cousin will be a do not be or some day anointing oil, for I say, and if you are said, Michelle will more to meet. And no, sound a bit clear, a sound of better class, and I say, Obayano, in full view of everyone say. Said the shop no waboda mana or more than and I think that the oil Makai say he's not a film maker because he doesn't know understand the ethics of film making. Right. Because the ethics of film making at ya like I said na oil nka or be hiding a kakra. So sofuno office impo and one man maybe a row almost omontonyo mana fine. We bet to say some pastors can go to that extent. But they are all not now. As all in full view of the congregation will be I think that it's a mockery on Christianity. That's right. I think they are all a good Christian domino everything. The guy said that they now also to be whenever a lifestyle state.
Oh no. Sorry. It is sorry. Let's get him back. Let's get Fifi back. Me patrol line breaky kakra.
Hello.
Fi.
Hello.
Fi line breaky kakra.
Oh.
Fi, hello.
What a nice.
What's a minga? Fi.
Hello.
What's a minga? Hello. Okay.
Yes, my Savior died, and that He died for me.
Mr. Willie Ashley Sale, the man with a plan.
I come to Him, He will never
Okay, Fee, but how to make coffee?
Yeah, I feel
okay. All right then. Okay.
Yeah, into no me met was no. Not there was even a prophet to be on that show. Never Elisha or say.
Okay.
Emma or also Buffy Palmer or really a lot of cases on that guy or really a lot of the cases. But I think it's about time. Also, you was a film making a serious business.
Right.
And then these days, Ghanaians are very discerning.
Now,
as you say,
yeah. Now, Blinks, or your software and Casa Nasa or your movie director.
Or software or your movie actor. And I want to turn into a director. Say, idea or a director park, a minister or a director Sabiano.
Right.
That you can catch and say, Nissan old channel. And yet the controversy woman because there's nothing unique about the film. So take it just one take, one shot.
Yeah.
So there's no medium shot, there's no close up,
long shot,
there's no intercut.
Yeah.
You know, master shot and you know, guess in a quantum I don't know when I come said the young pastor be and first say. More compound money and said the woman in Pona, Biaka said, sister, we can a corona. Because the thing is just one take, one shot. And when you pack a crap, when you ma. What is it? But I think more me film apart from Pastor Blinks in a bar. Right. They put it there, Pastor Blinks. So why are they humiliating themselves? I don't know when you matter, will be anything. And it all goes back to the past. Some of young man no to be no. Sabi. Their hunger for fame, too much. They want to do anything at all just to get fame. But fame, we don't pass through window to get fame. If you want to get fame like Jackie Appiah, you have to pass through the right door.
Right.
But when you say, pass through window, in the end, and then because we are looking at a society, Ghanaian society, a frowning against some of these things.
Now,
what you hear me on the wrong static, and man on and almost.
Yeah.
In the end, no more mother Johnny Google in internet sopana and for forever. But so moving Scapa and now moving a contract at a CNN and a couple of people who say, or Massachra, or Wina, I and Cremotum. I feel most Massatia, the same thing that some people have done and regretted. The young man, in fact, some of them. Maybe a more a man or
what do you mean? Animasi, and your fair so we didn't sort them now to Yum away you wash your pants and only brazier. Now they two a radic Yumna Anna. Not blanks no, Name lawyer, I say, I bet you and Kamojo and I will move because he doesn't think so. Because
maybe come for the be a baby sound. I'm in Mekato. I just Pastor Blinks has a bipolar. I think say, oh yes, I think say he has a bipolar because I'm tempted to believe so. Because sometimes now get me a perfume, many things in command. Now get me perfume, but why clear? Now why sound mind was supposed to taste that and come in you. They say, "Come a person here and a clean film." Or catch them person in the a collaboration. Na after or after say try a decent film. Yet they won't come across actually. After me who they have them idea china me kosoria. What I Western crab there. There be and another baby I do. After there a new name. So I'm tempted to believe that Pastor Blinks our bipolar.
Yachino, a jano. Oko defending who say a movie, ye jano manakoi. This time around, what do you think should happen? Because okay, Mamini can miss us our questioning. A movie industry, no, movies now. And you be a more rules and regulations be a governor say yenye A yenye B answer no be release movie in Fabra ni yenhwe ansana ye be ma ukwan release ya yamakwan ya and so be a kekesora no acting movie.
Yes, I think will be such acting movie. We have a classification board.
Okay.
So, but I am tempted to believe that Ghana, the government institutions and the Nipa Equator and we are not almost the
That's right.
Yeah. Because in some years back, now we had a censorship board.
Okay.
Now that censorship board and a censor every film before it comes out. Those days now it was very, very strict and firm.
Okay.
But and then now after the classification board no so that you want to see maybe about abonten you wrote down Mr. Socrates Esafo.
Right.
So entinka bibi say banaka once I want to take action against a producer because the police channel. No, because it's near the possibility say it's a channel. Very easy. But the classification board in there, you can arrest the guy on the basis the movie did not pass through a classification board.
Right.
Therefore, mona a more responsibility. So also money guy no then edili but apply to edili.
Okay.
But I'm going to say ordinary person being going to report to na police mention ni adia. I mean there are no laws say ebia obintimi enye bia sini any pipisa. But they say you were indecent exposure.
Right.
Yeah. I know say it's against the law. But in this case, you know, it's an act of fiction.
Okay.
What I say? If it's an act of fiction, the right authority to make the deal is a classification board.
Okay.
Your movie cannot come out because it has not passed through the classification
right
board.
Channel. Okay.
If they are doing such things, and kind of one thing. And in these days, you try YouTube.
Yeah.
Because and then Ghanaian content you go outside that. So them for can once and it's very bad.
Short movies, no.
Short films, you know.
Yeah.
They say I just say Omope used to bar. I just bar abnormal breast.
Yeah.
And I saw bar abnormal buttocks.
Yeah.
Be an enough. I get see you know what bit my pump and I saw be an no ya bit maybe at them.
Yeah.
And when I say you know YouTube for me, I'm not condemning them.
Right.
But it's about time also say you know Nigeria for no.
Yeah.
The entertainment industry no anymore no.
Yeah.
Sir, they believe in talent. They don't believe say obi ato something no. Yafa and to no music is taking it on and for and obi eno photo you know or ma mbie bi ona say obi anu ya otimi ti atempa no. Yes, assume it na no ya pa oh.
Yeah.
It's you know otimi ti atem na na ababa bejim. It's about time we concentrate on the business of film.
Right.
Say yes ni.
Yeah.
We are not going to compromise on asset, body asset, but on talent. And Nigeria, from the also Nigerian YouTuber, who said who would be ISA, where the Yasada company said, almost also be break. I am almost normal. Also, he escaped the crap. The accent is not there, but it seems forced to. So, by the time will come, Ghanaians.
Right.
After many things, you know, Ghanaians on some content and but some also more diverted. Some pass through the normal film, you know, channel. No, we should do the right films for public consumption.
Okay. Minia Fifi, and I know pay Frank Gabin, we award winner, movie director. Anope ye beda wase pa na sambotu hu na mo bi na beboa se na be ya oman Ghana because na ya hometo no say outsiders no washa wonim say ya de ekoso o churches mo Ghana ha nso enye sanity. Yes. Into no amanfo outsiders and just ebi say no won buasie fu fa no ho. Say how say even Christian Council tenase and I tenase hwe say bibi say enkoso e very bad at.
And mommo eyachi.
You know.
So create
Safo.
Safo. Mommo nachi.
At the classification board no only paying.
Oh, no, the chairman of the classification board.
Okay.
On the Dano.
Okay.
So no Pepenusia, why you see me a check, Sana say, what one say, all these things are possible. Now, when you make take any action, then I don't see why he should be there.
Yeah, Bebo Moding say and Sabekano na yet yen no Sobeka.
Mate.
Yo, yeah, that's a fee. Yeah, that's right.
Ashley Seal. Mr. Willie Ashley Seal. Mr. Willie Ashley Seal, the man with a plan. Wakey, wakey, it's another day. Welcome to your breakfast show with the man Willie Ashley Seal, the man with a plan, on DLFM 106.9.
Okay, and now yeah, Douglas birthday. Douglas a technician. Wo a deal ha Douglas and I no pay Erade in Shawati. Erade in Peja Why. Christo nya okese wati. Ne be kan show nyina ne say juma fo wo DLFM ha. Ye nyina management ne be kan say Douglas, happy birthday to you wherever you are.
Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey. It's another day. Welcome to your breakfast show with the man Willie Ashley Seal, the man with a plan, on DLFM 106.9.
It doesn't make much sense. There ought to be law against anyone who takes offense at a day in your celebration. 'Cause we all know in our minds that there ought to be a time that we can set aside to show just how much we love you. And I'm sure you would agree. What could fit more perfectly?
DLFM 106.9.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. I just never understood how a man who died for good could not have a David Wood. He said, aside for his recognition, because it should never be just because some cannot see. The dream is clear as he, that they should make it become an illusion. And we all know everything that he stood for time will bring, or in peace our hearts will sing. Thanks to Martin Luther King.
Welcome to Monday morning. Welcome to Monday morning. Welcome to Monday morning.
We know the key.
Welcome to Monday morning.
All people. It's in the dream that you had so long ago that lives in all of the hearts of people.
Once again, happy birthday to you, Mr. Douglas. Chief Technician, DLFM. Douglas, I don't know, pay a radical Papa Pawati. Happy birthday to you. Sabri Miritumri Kaname Wako, Eye Chebi Sektek. Chebi Sektek. Menya Yenu Abia Charlotte Kwanza. Ewa Hamano Suha. Madam, good morning.
Good morning.
Me pachano pe hontering.
Yankopon de ache ya no pe.
Ye de radiasi. Wa ma de ache. Ne je se ni da so homa yengo.
Amen.
Yes. Sadia nchen pa na akoya asem kese. Me pacha wona ye headmistress e wo Chebi Sektek me wa.
Me pacha.
Right. Ye ti say osubi ato ema school dan no esua pa. Mpacha oda be na asem isi.
Oh, no cray. Friday I train me.
Right.
Me fan say 4:30 echo enyumremu. Na ehun kesi bi 2 year. Ensuo kesi bi nso etoye.
Right.
Na ema yenya yesi asa akwansia no.
Right. Na me pacha sabre na school for no no one pon school did out.
Oh, me pacha baby a 2 year no assembly hall.
Okay.
One make I say form 2 4 there.
Yeah.
Omoko efie.
Okay.
Into form 3 4 no so now be a new eho.
Okay.
Na momu na senior house mistress.
Yeah.
Any parent to be na omode omoma
right.
And ewo. And so nyankopon adom.
Hwianko bia.
Nyankopon adom. Bibia nye won. Omutimi dwane ye. Ansa na ayene nti obia ho anka.
Obia ho anka. Okay.
Dan ni momu na.
Okay. Okay.
Aye shibu musisi a
enyi nti na just say sia nje wosan boso foforo ansa na matumi edro ha kwa ne esamoye.
Oh, emofo de dia inspectorate team bi be share no.
You.
Ye ka say ye boss wa emo aye.
Okay.
Enti omo ba be share dia me bi su se be papa say ye be jure egu. Na ya san ama no papem foforo fra.
Na chese na acha na wosisi wa ache.
Oh, I check Accra.
Okay.
And say a temporary something structure.
Oh, okay.
A temporary structure Accra.
Oh, okay. Did you ojurugu na wesi foforo mamu?
No mo be no at least no the classrooms the bathroom.
Okay.
It's a lot of purposes.
Right.
And my the Hoya assembly hall.
Okay.
The Hoya assembly hall. And on see the assembly hall no was here. In the classrooms was right.
Yeah.
Now several multi-purpose we are my.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right. Right. Eddie, answer the major ma kon ma mimi sa asem ba kon ebra wo ko school no na bribio ha ye frɛ no bule ye friend say ko homo ye homo no na mo time na bi na ebi ho sa
ne bi ho na mo mimi school ha de bi ni ha aha mi wo bule ayi a friend say proof wa ha.
Okay.
Enti wo bule obi a ye wo proof.
Okay, ye be ho.
Enti ha de bi ni ha.
Okay, enti how do wanye bi kura?
Oh, there be ha de me tutu ase.
Right.
Right.
Because so shine the pa.
There be there.
Because so to be
me wo proof wa.
Oh, okay.
Enti wa wo be sa no.
You.
Woni baby a wani be kre.
That's right.
You two on for some obi bule o mo anko mo ni anka school.
Ampa.
Enti obi a wo ba no.
You.
Omo ma ko mo afo no so ani nka.
Okay.
No metumi esia de.
Okay.
Nti ha de ye nya sa wa.
All right then. Madam Charlotte Kwanza, headmistress of what Chebi Sektek and I no pay DLFM Accra 106.9. Yeda wase pa. Sure. Nyamin come me jedi se yes sir me jedi se mo ne mpayinfo akasa won so wo betie na sopam se na be obetumi abesi dan na mamu ntem na motumi atoa so edi mo adwuma. Yo, yeah, that's a pa. Yo, bye. Bye. And I know pay Yagusi and I come for a give us P capsules at the amount. Give us P capsules and I know pay me pacho you will give us core capsules. You will give us herbal mixture and you will give us GC mixture and of a capsules in your epi. Into we here be a my rain fee. Say rashes in a good better man. Say you de puan so na we obi na bia to abia yewa. Afen so no etomri bi obere ma bi ojo nso na mu ya ne yawo. Enye ni nyina na ego no obi otumi kogware nsu na moya akọ ne bere ma mu na no so akọ ho de abre no. Ye wo bere ma bi onso na so obi bi ho ha. Eye egba empem agore a na atinka wu. Uboni said dang ni otia neti mesra wo yare me pa wo chopi briti mu akere wo yare enya normal so bi de within short time no drop now so no nkwa de debi mesra wo tunwa na mama mwai afei so wayase ye wo ya otitio no obi ha ni mo jene se ba na man se ne se ubon se ba na etwetwa sisi e wo mo ana ba e wo mo ana ejai me pacho give us GC mixture and afi capsules na beboa wo ho sana give us herbal mixture no so a support immune system no ebere me no be dey ofri san nyina kai se ye hunsu awewo e wo ma na ye hunsu awewo obehwe wani ase no na ye kwabo aye biribi ho wani ase e ficha because hunsu nyina asa e bibiri mu ha na ye ta fa awia no so more awia no ye ta ni just ye ne na ne koba na me pacha awia na hyiw bebre a wona me ne ti ase se eni ti na se mpempi wuta no munsu more se wonnu munsu more a ayo how kese pa na de bebre o bomoding ase na be wunya malaria wunya typhoid afi join the senso nya yarepa se munyina bi ba wa braboma me pa ocha ebe ha wiye ti bomoding ase be boost wo immune system no na wanya appetite nso de didi kama wate wo pay na den na opay kai hye no so fama me say sisi yare ho bebre ho ye koko na de ba koko pa na de ba enra no jo na me sisi ya me yaw na me kai say me o cold capsule CB ho ho na me ko fa bi na me fa bi in less than hour na me an ye besen kwai no me hui if you according to me tum say me gina krebe ngina mu say da bi ade be koko ebe ye koko na di sa bone no me ntrase man koko me je mani je moso da bi me pa che say koko we aka wa wan hwe ya o boss no obe che say obe se mo be ketekete ebe ha adwene uko be bi po be ka say why you dey sha nso na nyam fom so obi on say asa na nyame ball na we ya do hwe nye 2 inches 5 inches besreo pomodia no hwe e give us cold capsule CB na be boa we bi di wa kejire mu ate sana give us P capsule CB pacho premature ejaculation me pacho hwe ni fama mo weaknesses in sperm leading to infertility in men me pacho wo insuna go hu a wode wo ban insuna se mu piu e piu ana je se ahoden wom wo be hwe obi de no eba ase pipe ayabue enkoye why did nya eno so tumi de saa de mani nyina ba eba ne saa e ha wadwene pa nti mesremu mu didi yem fama me se ne be ya mu insuna mu pesa mo de wo ban de mu atumi apiu na mu atumi de ayadwuma se ne se fata give us P capsules ebusiafo ye da mo se pa available in all drug stores nationwide upe bi atunsa kotonga akwanya da ho ma ho use adwuma ni ha kroma hina ka kire adwuma ho una wonya ready so ko to be action ye ko to be to be humfa se obenya so telephone number bet me dia free ni 0543 222 470 0543 222 470 and now face 0506 85 1135 0506 85 1135 and no pay yedi nkomo kakra nti so pese ode adwene kire bi ba me pa cho betimi dia fa yen hamai so ha yede wo be confirm me na fa yetumi adi nkomo 0593 406565 0593 406565 and no pay wo betimi afre dan so wo de adwene kire e fa nkomo yedi nyina no pay ho na wo so de ho a pese o kan ho no yetumi atie o 3 boys punished after fishing ewo eye river ewo achem osurase afi mofra eye suku nsam wotwa wonua no ma impre eya hometew ye bo videos bi nso a ekire niam esi niam ekoso wa bibiri mo manga na manmu se eye esafata yenya ne den ye papa lawyer Frank Afrifa so kasai sani ye ori Charlotte Kwanza headmistress wo Chebi Sektek ekasai and no pay onia good morning.
Good morning, Makra.
Makra mpacho hine ni o.
Nana ya oni aboso.
Nana yentie we yenko.
Makra.
Yes sir.
Nyame nhyira wo.
Nso nhyira obi nana.
Nyame nhyira DLT.
DLT for dawase.
Ne yeti bebree.
Nice one.
Na bebree nso na akɔso.
Right.
But I think say issue in it no. Me no me hu ne say ɛyɛ adeɛ a yɛaka to ages. Ɛwɔ sɛ kuro no nkɛ wɔ sɛ yɛyɛ dɛ yɛbɔ ho ban.
Okay.
Nti mmɔfra no adeɛ a wɔyɛɛ no wɔanya de ɛna me ne yɛfrɛ no dɛn wei no deɛ ɔgye sika no ɔkɔmfo no you me ne ɔkɔmfo no yɛ adwen sɛ ɛyɛ ampa sɛ sika no ɔgye na ɔndi wɔ n'anum deɛ a ɛna me ne yɛ adwen because sika no yɛde bɛsiesie kuro no ama kuro no ayɛ fɛw mate bi ho mpanin nsɛm pɛn but nnɛ no ayɛ dɛ nnɛ mmɔfra no a yɛaba no yaso yɛ den papapapapa the youth yaso yɛ den baabi a ne yɛn no gya ne yɛn ne na bɛka kyerɛ sɛ mɛmɛ yɛn nkɔ ne yɛbɛka kyerɛ sɛ hɔ koraa ne firi ba nti no wɔn ayɛ ade paa.
Okay. Nana Dasi Anope, thank you so much. Anope Dasi, hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Yes, I'm Pacho Mini Abenio.
I'm Pacho Chenye.
Che, okay, Savi.
But I'm Casafi or Dana Market.
All right, Che and you. Right.
Uncle Poncham, Jedica.
Yes, also shall be.
Let us assume you know, Pacho, yes, Kunina, Uchani, and a man.
You.
The name is. Say, Kamaya Moncolano. That's the other name.
Oh, I said, Burna, I know you're doing power. Hello, I'm so creditors. I believe so. Who creditors? Eddie, one way feel like so crediting us. Hello, good morning. Hello, he's on hold. Hello, good morning. Okay, mami you mfiswana and your beba sumra 0593406565 and I no pay issues I can once and waha utie senia near Mexico fire. In fact, Omangana, Yakweni Manase, ye team baby team. Hello, good morning. Okay, I understand you so. Okay, me call next caller so. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Morning.
Yes, sir. But you're here new.
But yes, White Dallas, good morning.
Okay, young you.
We did boko. I said, movie now, no more can watch them and ask them to make the margins.
Okay.
And as I movie now, more can. I mean, no penny be a cadia and you're fine. But smash your movie be a no Nigeria fool say, and for more, or may you a monofo, but for no quan and no more.
No may you that's so naked.
I will moving back to
a naked, no may you that's so.
No, not what they say. Busy a pen no more years film. I no more shit. Yeah, your mash down.
Okay.
We know so and I will confront the end so
yeah.
Also,
Okotofuna Daka. No, it's
for many we or the Sadaka Kwakusi.
Because you went into Onya 30,000. 3,000. 3,000. Sorry, 3,000. Which is 30 million. Or the Kota Daka no ya one money who go channel no musaka. Accra. I don't pay that. Pachu, that's pa. Okay, bye. Hello, good morning. Good morning. Hello. Hello. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, Accra.
Accra, Pachu, Hineni.
Agent 1, Yagoba.
All right, Agent 1.
You.
Okay, so Baba, you show any month to me, Amba.
I'm a member.
And we are sure.
Me sure, Accra.
Me Pachu, Marty.
To whom the sec, you know, a friend, a second. And we're done in Yamaso, a man of Mother, and Wayama.
Right.
And not institution. I'm remember one, Accra.
Pachu, Marty, Besho, bye bye. In some Sisio, in some we are in some Ghana. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho Hineni, sir.
Pacho, what from today?
Adumo, now so up with today.
Young coupon, not them.
It already has say.
Ochre Aguna Inkum.
Ochre Aguna Inkum. Ochre, it's on catch.
Oh, maybe we didn't see the video.
Oh, you're ready, as so
we are from the TV with the social. We see the
right.
Don't not of wagon.
That's right.
It's a program, no, a brainy family palco.
It has it.
Near me go high,
right.
Penny Fosse, and you trasa, and you say, Nichi Achia. And we saw us as his own powerful to Biano. Thank you. The program say we to folk. Now what can you pay me? No,
thank you.
He say, yes, a character, yeah, my light of Kaka, but the bigger come see.
Yeah.
And then you say, Ghana for your fear, can only say, what shall I soon you can now walk for one way to say, what's the answer? Ghana, how many so the dear program, and I say, give you what I yell, me papano. I won't say you to have an open or Pahoni tea. Would it be a 1 year won't say the idea and a passing?
Yeah,
we move to free.
Yeah.
No, yeah, I yaw didn't think for this year, bay yaw being up that book. In that, when you say, dear, Menaya, and coming no depend to me, can't tell such a what's for your idea, Yajima, Nanchafaco, and that degree.
That's right.
But yeah, the program not meaning coming in Dokako say,
yeah.
Uli no I am a mean coming.
Right.
Now, Nipa ya Pahoni tea, today I am a dear Yako, sir. It's your best say. Yasu ya tana wo yi wo ho na ade no ni na ya no se na ye pa ye be hwe
yeah
impo wo ye program papa wo yi wo ho a won hwe
yeah
ti akara so ya ye sesa ye nsiban na
e be boy
ya wo a wo ye no so be sesa wo nsiban no
okay
na e de amayen
okay
me da si yankopon hira
e da se pa wo si yankopon hira watch e da se e da so homobia for real yes. Okay, Minkwa nice caller. So hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Makra. Good morning. Good
morning, sir. But you're in you.
The phone is saying,
I don't know, bra. No way.
Yamiasi. Uganija, Yaka.
That's Maguaja.
Uganija, Yaka. I'm a Sabachu.
What about you? I know anything.
Midiano Tafrija, Abosoka.
That's right.
Motors.
That's right.
Dedeka, my chair, Vice President, Baumia, baby, will be a man, fan check as your man.
Otafrija, Timmy. Otafrija.
Marty.
Go straight to your point.
Yeah,
politics. Uchian fine. Meti as a bat. Just go straight to me.
Marty. Oh, Marty. Yeah. I'm say a school for Adia. I buy.
Yeah.
No possible. Yamianim. And yeah, at the forefront.
Okay.
Sir, a bit to me. Done. I'm penny for a bit to me. I cannot crepa. Actually, we are seeing. I said, a idea will hold it up. No mum. Omo pese omo cheso na so mutwemu a hormones e wo pa ana bo obi bia obekọ secondary school bia omo ye ne bi
right
and omo free bi say Jimmy Lastic den and also be pentu so that say entina ade no efititi ana omo ya na eduru bi mu so na eduru bi mu so na eduru bi mu so
okay
na mu so tro na obo no na ade a ba bia fine me say me ba okoye office school buy
you
na wa penti o ma penti ne ho ama wa do de but odika ono kwapo no odika picture na me ken odika sem
okay
well na me no ka say odika sem eh e ma na mo kwapo mo afoforo no twade de ye me ono nso be obi bi na mo e be kon hardly say e du ababo na sum obetwe belt ni ade ya no odin
ano odin
ano odin na mo so betimi aye na animu ada ho anasa abadao na oma chirechom because when we say constable anya dey ababa panyini da when we say ababa panyini
nanka
yes it is a constable it be senior police officer there let's say senior police officer no anya so fiti ya no ko senior police officer constative constable mu ana constable so be church on ma be the tricks of police ekon abefa so abeji bibia kura ekon abefa so ni pa bekasa ekon abefa so be bibia enti sempanyfo no bi ba so say bia say ni say no mkeka na say bi si da as that time na say 100 phone na do so and enti mi ampie Right. Na Android phone do ebu. Enti bibia ni na ba social media na ba mpelefo anim. No kre. Na sa time no na no de ye pa. Enti hono me nhwe ho ne enka na se buro mba bo nkola na se twe no be twe maso kakra. Yeah. No ma twe maso kakra na aba fom. Na Ghana so afa ne ntoma pef. Otafu je na bo so kai kantin kan motors. Ma me chia same wa e aba bo so kai.
Ojo super.
Bye bye.
Otafu ya da sia na no pay any one so wadwoni kira. With your mind sunny and it's just about 4 minutes more to hit at 9. Akesi mo ba ya nang bi pena fe no nkro ngabo. Ena no pay nsam ya gboro so no bi je disa won so wasom a na enche mini abrema eye kwabena obin daako you entrepreneur o min chengu studio ha ena no pay be bonkomo how to develop the mindset to start and build your business. Mino be ni ngadwene kwa be fa so betu won ngadwene anyin e betu esua biribi yan deal de ni ayeye ni o yan de pese yan de ni ayaya ni say yesua de nti no se wo pese wo sua de dia ene da bia fa ntama boye ntama no ya wo mra ya won sem bebre ko so o manyi mu ha papa lawyer Frank Afifa baso a o me yan soti yesua de bebre ena no pa bi na brema kwa be no bing da ko e o me nchen wa ha nti e bebe ko na fe ya bonko mo kakra.
Mr. Willie Ashley Sale, the man with a plan.
Okay, Tom Libya said, I'm here, and I no pay no. Me Tom Gwasa call no makuma. Me rush cry, and I no pay. Hello, good morning.
Yeah, Magra. When I quack no.
Me pa Jose.
Quapia, no.
And Ayra na, Waira.
Quapia, the one.
Quapia. When you up to now, who may be our foe? One way.
Level Gaza.
Now, who wouldn't dance so here? Who would that is over here? Oh, there be no boy. Send your OCD can be says, yeah, no. After you some chow gadgets, one who just over here. Now, there be oh, men, I saw me be sunny said, Guy, move your shots or you okay? Maybe never be how.
You be the other with Janet and the can of one chair.
A bushane than the car won't try. Now the bushane of Canon Chia and now we are fast for no now shisha on him. And more from Macumako 5. Well, senior sister would nature number 2. One moon. A bushia paying the baba consia, one mono. And send a bushia for no, Emma, one yam, and mere Macumako 5. Or be quite 15 years. And at 13 years, Kransu, what you mean, your friend? Me Felisa Gani be ha na your name say enhwemu because be see no akoya how. Anyway, I no pay then I work. Yes sir. Nagra.
School some lady sana ti ba sumbono.
Asumbono ba. Oh ba o she belt or the ground say abofra na chinyina be say yo.
Wa ya ma ya de.
Abofra na chinyina be say.
More punishment be na
okay. All right. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's Macro. Okay, hello, good morning.
Good morning, Macro. Good morning.
Morning, sir. Inkomo?
Yes, sir.
Nedreng.
You know,
Mr. Ja, Yamia Dauroma, and they each and TV or Chinabe Yachang.
Michelle, I friend or being that one or and over to me channel.
Which you're being that home?
Oh,
okay. All right then. Why do you suppose you
your friends at school in the end? Why when it's summer, your old jacket, run when you from one. I hope you ever one Tom.
I don't want
to be Papa, name so or the barney are built no on it here. I had been one on Pan and Papa now. Papa next time, no more you'll be on bedroom.
Okay. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Me Mati, Nkomo, Michia, that's it. And that's all Mobia Wati. In comedy, that's all Mamino Bedinara. Tian support me, Simple Chacham was an incredible. See my baby, a BSB pet, and a Sabri on and no. You on and no, meaning baby, I walk by part of it though. Or very maybe I would see me and I no pay. Miri was with you be, Bombadiana Mania when he has some. A madam or how be as all how no, meaning if you been free, your bed be an uncle. And as all how no, Eba, or better maybe also. As I would dig and as I would then can where, and I will say, what you be, I won't count be. Me patcha one share, I will cost of a fem. If you back on. Yara or friend of prostate enlargement. I have a journey papa. Oberama Jonsa the mutumi paye bien Ojonsa emuya ne yawo ebedu baby ni when to mensi wano ntama Johnson afai emma bio Ojonsa emma empua bonten bio na cha se minimara sedeng ne mu asi wo sedeng o enya ba nsa wode rubber e na be hye wo bere mam rubber nso ko hye wo bere mama wo kire se ne esi ye yawo fa ni what can we answer, ma? Unia, I am with you, papa. But more than an answer, me came Mr. Money here. One money would ruin you when I sent them. Mr. Money here, woman anywhere drew me beside. And when you went at saying them, sorrow Wakawat and I, or better, my internacy, and my prostate enlargement, and mammy do ya. And yet do not pet one share. Massa, when need Japan, when need you be done with your sassy so I call. Tibomoding, sorry. Na. Edra wadia ban prostate. Na prostate me pacho ebusian wadia ba True Wealth Healthcare. True Wealth Healthcare. Wong no wadi say dwumai ana wadi adru ya breyeng sene be obere me biara obekoti bia bia tise mu no watu mesi wano kwan tem na so wani age. Ade ba kwan ya homete nso ye onipa wani a wode kɔ bei eno na ye nipadua no ho light en na kira wo kwan en na mpempi no ofrisan bia obedi bia no se woni ani a ya na ya hometi wiye papa na me pa ocha bomodinga so wano ntem ansana akoyo how the amount throughout for the vision capsule biaba na sa vision capsule si eboa ani yare biara me pa ocha internase ntwen emoni enkodu ba bia befa bebedu ba bi no na fe wokura mo se me de koba obetuma si wano kwan obi ho nani wo enhye de hu ade papa obehwa de obrepa ansana watumi ehu ade ida sade no wachirichiri anase beng no pa nso no hu ni se ewachirichiri nso on sade na beng no onampa no tumi hintiu obehwa no ahwe ase obi so ho nani keka no posa na nani ya ne ya wo sai kokko aye red eni na so ja misrawo glaucoma yare bone wani na wo ho no wan say ye frɛ bibi sete ena obi kan no etasi wani so ahometew me pa chawo ehu aduru wo ho ntempara siwa no kwanwai na obeye free sene beya inting na wo wani nkesua no so no wo posa demo na posa na ni nkesua no inting na da so na esei eno na emma etaba besi wani so no nti sore waka na tu hu na mon sene beya wo so beye free ye wo joint forties wo ho joint forties yi eno so de ne say yare biara arthritis yare biara ukotogwe saadi betaka impempi no na mehu no ewo nipa kesefo ho atenten ho obi ho ha wait nti amani kotogwe ne yawo obi ho nso a enam se ne osi eware nti ne tintin nti amani kotogwe ne yawo na kotogwe ne yawo sana ade ese wo kai hu ne se usisi nso betumi so mu afemo se wakwa aso nyinara oha ba beto so wo ya hwia enye na ne ebi ya ne se ba ne sa na wakɔ no mpenkela bi se be ya eto ebe kofem pacha kofem wo britia bi mpe ekire be san ba bi ewu eyi nti me pa wo chew arthritis a wo so no bomodin na hwɛ joint 40c na joint 40c ebe boa pa wo be ye free me chew se bomodin na per solution fama no enkoye bribi kekese bi a eye temporary one no unkonko top joint 40c me pa cha be boa pa eboa ndompe na ho akokwa ndompe na awew ndompe na achase ayembraw no joint 40c ekeka ndompe na chase edi dem ni nyina boa no na san abesi ni dedaw mu umpe ikura na den na ope a repair joint injury biara obi ko wa onya accident obi nso ho a accident na ahwe accident ho car accident ho accident egu ahuru bi se wepira na obabi akoyo how dia ma besi sabiri mfi bebre ni enkoya ene True Wealthful Healthcare what they do aba joint 40c ebebo apa afa ye lady 40 so ho lady 40 natural ye dura eboa papa ema ye won kesua wo bia ye ma esese obia ewo obetu nkesua nsa na tomiri bi obi ho ani nkesua no waye wiase biribia bi nyinsa ntube mma waye ne soso ye bia bi nyinsa ho emma eba ne sa emmoa eya hometew obi nso obia bi nso akone menopause mu a oha we di achi edoso edura make lady 40c e balance wo hormonal system no improve sa wo your bia ne safata bia sa wo so nsaka no nsa betumi aka mu na mum no ne de oha bebra wo de eyi ni nyina afi ho e reduce menstrual pain afa nso sane moja ne ma no ebeba chase wano afa wo awuni atenka sa wo ne wodofo be kompam wo awuni atenka ewo wo awuni mlai ne dedawo obi atenka ewu obo ne mo me pa cha hwe lady 40 wo hwe lady 40 a ebeboa ema bribia besi susu pepepe ema nso be free afa emia no nso obi ho a otanya ho ha wase ho so ha na egu ahoro obi kotena yang bi so afa betwa no de kwakofa yare bi de aba no de ama ne ho etombiri bi yang ane epo ne de ha bere ye ho na fa yare abebe kwadare yen enye mesrew ye mode ane hwe lady 40 hu akikwan afa obi abi onso a ono nkasa gye ne hu di se bia na sesu me pa chaw lady 40 ebetiesie wati ebeka biribi atwom kama ema wonso ani beje sana bomodin se ne be ya wonso syndrome biara ebesiesie ma wonso aye free afa merima no nso yentie oberema bi ho a sebe ya obekosi wani mu no eya na dan manso if you say opegya ujafumu a eye hojo ahwodin nim ese se homa ahwodin bam ese gina ne nan so ese opem se ase daden ese ye bare kama ese mu yeduru onu ya face ya say yes menam kai se mpedema hia aha eno nen oh na de ani ja bia ba fi ho kakra Intimate Merima no a natural solution enya ni abeka kodum na fa chiri no e de ohal bia brew debi bomodin na hwehwe a True Wealth Healthcare echikwan ubetumi afre abusuafo yi ebi ameka say na opebi ofie umpese obenanti akọ pharmacy ho sani abranti bi okoto kondom a onya du shop a odu shop na okotu nipa said den obi abeto ade abetwa no we says o mpacha oda na pe o so de serve we what is several back amna we gina ba 30 minutes obi abebeto so onyako se onyako kan se mame kope no be a P also over the 7 menu ye nonko. Me pa cho menya bi why be so. Uton yare no nya no adru. Bet my friend ebusiafo our telephone number is so. And no bet me visit any chemical and pharmaceutical shop across the nation. Number is 05955 826 28 0595 582 628 and that's 0242 51 9955 0242 51 9955. Okay, Sabri, I said, like I said, I'm from Busafi. But I couldn't wait in our show so. And the Monday, Mammy for Aquadon to be from Mount Afemi Aquadontona. And the Monday, Mammy for Aquadon to be from Mount Afemi Aquadontona. Mini Abrama Quabena, Akenkomo.
Mr. Willie Ashley Sale, the man with a plan.
And the Jordan will be on why Boson. But you are not paying. I won't kick out. Mammy shake you kakrawai. Mammy show kakra yanko. Shake you kakra. Heba. And no there. Soba. Aquadontoy. Sorry, not copy baby yawati. International microphone in corner mama too. Yankwa. Aquadontoy. What da 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 da. Aquadontoy. Peju maybe. Aquadontoy. What da 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 da. Aquadontoy. Peju maybe. Hey, no there. Soba. Hey.
And then we are seeing more. Oh, be in your bread, you may know. The Radinka wants to send me chair when you be a fear brony, which in the life and colored a war. I got some book May store. A fear brony and a pay chiao, Yamachi, Zotia dear, we're being loud and clear. Oh, if I got some book May store, ye chow and I no pay. Send me to be kind of in costume, so me chair Chris also, and I no pay.
One more time, let me take it from the TOP. Let me take it one more time from the top. Okay, Micha Sum Funya and Anope. Darling Joe, Anope, good morning. Ofie, was Sum and Anope Michao. Brajman, Anope Micha Munina, Sum for taxi drivers in Yanara. Tell them what says so much for Munklay and Sawat, the Damasepa. And Rami Bassum, in fact, many BJ. Send Mukra DLF more. My goodness. Maybe I'll be Fabia dear. Maybe I'll be Fabia dear all the way. Of you no pay me watch Darling Joe.
And then we are seeing more. Obia, I break you, my no. I want to take or that's so damn pep. And say, you must know. And say, Didio. And say, Didio. I want you for it. But you may be there. Me, I want to fear the rain.
Some malaria. Where Granny Givers Herbal Mixture.
DLFM 106.9. Education, information, and entertainment. Right here on DLFM 106.9.
I don't know where for you to chop. If you don't want work, now you go home. Lazy man follow the job. Why don't they? Why don't they? Why da 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 da? Why don't they? Bet you maybe yeah. Why don't they? Why da 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 da? Why don't they? Bet you maybe yeah. Hey, keep on hitting, keep on rocking, keep on booming.
DLFM 106.9.
Na kosi nyansa de jaya nanti jaya sire na page maybe na obrani ne warabo e wamini ya wayense pomodi be wudi o kwaju fue page maybe
Birthday boy in the house. Birthday boy in the house. Mr. Douglas. Already happy birthday to you wherever you are. Yes. Birthday boy in the house. Doggy. Already shouting. Yes.
I don't know where for you to jump. If you know one way, now you go home. Lazy man follow the job.
90 minutes after 9. And then no paper is a family in your brother Kwabena Oping Dako. Yes. Why don't me pacho Kwabena Oping Dako or entrepreneur, engineer, and Afe Alta or Cho book. Yes, or science engineer. Na me pacha Branti or Cosco Pokuware. Na ukita BSc in agriculture, engineering, FEK and UST. Afe MSc, bioprocess engineering from UCD. Hey, Masa, what could school? I crack up now my channel.
Over me that.
Bibi Obokode. Yeah, the radiasi, so do I can inside no pay. We entrepreneur, send a medical cano. Watch your books. Na nini na emu no nso no eyadesua. Na ade ba kon me pesa no pay ye behwe. Nya ka ho asem ye how to develop the mindset. Because ye di ofrisa ye kwa ebe nyina ye tiefo ye sua de da bia wo fi ha. Na enye nipa nyina nanim kon befa so a obetumi adiye. Obi wabusu ofi mu na enye. Obi ho nso wa ye na adwene se anase wa cha se otonkoko. But what you mean, I share the mobile 5. I could school every year. Obi so tong jabru. And then be dear rabba. UK.
That's right.
Yamu baby, nim coin befaswa. You be see a coin any more brabum. Instead, they are frewa. Na orba be buaying. Minim say, I can come away. I had a gun for yempe. It is a yempe. Na eha journey. Nti no pay yansam ebisa wo ne say kwamba ne befa so a yebetumi amadwene na nyin ne tumi de abobra etumi de apadwuma ye na yenso yade ye ho enya sika hwe abusia
over
yes sir
medas
right
that's a self frame so.
That's right.
Mechia busafo.
Busafo se
juma mpanyimfo so.
Right.
Nyame obonipa no.
Yeah.
O my adwen.
Okay.
Na adwen ye de bobra. They say ka engine ma
enye.
Computer the same thing.
Right.
The processor.
Right.
So obi pese odi usu a.
It me say pe yo ano kakrabam.
Obi pese odi usu a. Ofa wadwen no mum.
Obi pese odi usu ofa wadwen no mum.
Okay. Ti normal o hwe de wusu a. De o kenkan de wote. Ene na ehye wadwen no.
Okay.
Ne bibia we wiase bia no. If you wadwen no.
Okay.
Na baby e betetew, baby e wo to ye. Normal wo behu e fa wo ho. E fa sika, e fa brabo, even e fa wiase. Baby e tetew ni information a unyaaye.
Okay.
Na no na be kire se wo akokudura de bobobra. Wo ahotoma ona sa like confidence. So okay. Betimi de bobra.
Yeah.
Ana say o twen se obi beboa. Se asem to na se wo pese wo kun hu a.
Yeah.
E kire de wonim ene wadwen sesite.
Okay.
Ena se asem so to na timi kokko odi mu a. E kire de wosua.
Okay.
Fa wiase.
Wow. Just ni nyina mu no na entetewe ka ho.
Sa.
Right. Ye woni pani bi won so wan nya entetewe. Ube sha no nam bachere biara keke. Sankrofo no ndida so bi ho ma ho de.
Waba wiase nko de nyame obo ade o ma wa chede. Na o sorry na se otimi home a. Na chese ni da so. Enwuma na oboyi.
Eno na meboyi.
Ye tie do mo bia. Na se o yure fisa ni da so ho a. Na se be oboto.
Na oboto.
Na once a we nipa nko ade. Obi atimi asua ya amna yeye. E kire se osusu betimi asua.
Betimi asua amna yeye.
Amna yeye.
Right.
Na se obenya hobrase ana se obenya pepase. Ade o eminim. Na wo se mesua. Ansa na metimi aye.
Right.
Ene here.
Now obi adwene mu no we wie suku. Kwen befa so a obeye adwuma a problem. Odim kon befa so a obetumi aye adwuma na menim se adwuma nso de adwuma bia once adi sika ba no adwuma. Sa ni pa den ne afutu obetumi de ama.
Once ye ko school no. Ye tetew se uwi akopa adwuma. Ntina obi di first ya bon se na ne maame mo bo mo nsem. Kire se da chene ye. Utwa to a bebo
nanka. Utwa to bebo.
So the odi ka o school no so bro so a na kese adwuma pemu.
Right.
Ne bia obenya bia ja wontem.
Okay.
Ba brabo mu de. Entesa. Na utu oni awu.
That's it.
Enye obi a wako school bia na yeye. Na enye obi a wanko bibia so na enye yeye.
Right.
Eye bibia wote ase wo wiase. Se school na me koye no me di kosua kenkan ne atwere. Na me bi manya profession bi wom. Na se me bo me brade e no me bia se woni bi o so ko school so anko school woni bia abrabo no. Obey average.
Okay.
And I say building.
Building.
Say o bo bra wo so di bibi so ani so say. Me wuli. Maybe I made him fear 20. Any bear 40 no. The normal way no se metimi aye.
Right.
Na bibi am dey simani so yi. Ho aka de ne de he.
Ho aka de ne ho.
Sa de ne ha me wo de he na mini. So the bibi dey esu ani so. Now so you obi a we wadwen say tem bia no pay knowledge.
Okay. Na bia so try say
knowledge. Afa de o pese wo do abrabo ne dey. Aye. Wo ko school ne kire wo. De de kire wo na wo kire ho so ye no nya no ye de bobo bra wo.
Da bi.
Wo de kire so ye si.
Right. What did you want see?
Yes. So you're doctor, so you're engineer.
SC.
Yeah, chill tools so ba we share problems. I will bet my information out there, Bobra.
Okay.
So, Matthias, and this one pay information in here.
Yeah.
No must say.
You must say.
This all we are brand here. No we school.
Yeah.
Unti min ka say me we school ne obi am from adwumenti.
Nti no me nya. So to be a baby.
Yes, sir. Why join no? Ye da otim no. Say akakakra.
Right. Yeah. So obi ni da bi tuaso na fe me.
No, normal nipa hia. Yeah. A obi tuma tu no mo. Ama nipa. De ama nipa. Na wotu a waka no.
Yeah.
So wonim say ya ni ya wonya adwuma.
Wonya adwuma.
Create adwuma so ama.
Right. So create adwuma ma ho. How to develop the mindset. What me atiase. Afi me pese me adwuma. Adwuma na me pese me ye no. Oboafo bi ani ba bia. But my real school no. Bi ni obi anso beboa me. But I say me to me adwuma. Eno nso we.
Ni so obo abrabo say oba wi ase eni so de to trim say me twen obi am na bo me ansa me to am.
Okay. Okay.
Men twen. So be boa e da nyame ase.
Right.
But so be am boa ahoden a wo no kura otimi ka. Adwumaden a otimi ye. So peso sua bibi no. No ne mmoa nyame de ma wo.
Eno ne mmoa
sa
nyame de ma wo.
And this is as I'm fast me pese me ye. Obi okay, obi kura was one business opa adwuma.
Opa adwuma.
Wa kira application 1.
Yeah.
Mienu miensa obi amfrɛ no. Ntina na be ma ye den.
Ebu.
Da bi.
Esi so mo be mu.
Tre kopem so ye be frɛ.
Okay, Chiwa go see be frɛ. And na pesa wo ye.
That's right.
Yes.
It is the same thing with businesses when you so pesa wo ye.
Ehu adwuma na esa
wo
wo ye.
Failure.
Yeah.
Koso akopem se we na pesa be ye den.
Wo ye.
Me ye. Nti se menyaaya.
Menyaaya.
So ufa ha na anye ya na ofa baby foforo kopem se. Sa na brabo ne tie. Na a gradual, a process.
And to boase.
Sa
enye miriketu.
Dabi. So we sit down ya oto no one block at a time.
At a time.
Untimi ga so na me buy ya dan me see my boss my painting.
Yeah. Right.
Yes, sir. Omo develop technology grad still there's a process.
There's a process.
Nti wo dia brabo. So bo brabo ye ya sa and also ojitum.
Nipa
be brejo say o twen me ni moa.
Yeah.
Ya moa me. Oh, ti bo say na ono anka say na ogina ho no ana so te ho no. Na kuma mu nyina no ayese hyew bi onimu.
Hyew bi onimu, ebufu bi onimu.
Especially mranti e wo krom ya say.
Yes.
Uhuna obo say hyew bi. Especially omo ka taxi. O cross na obo say obedi watem sisi a.
Eno ni ade ba ko.
So obi so ne nsa.
Yeah.
No obo ano.
Right.
Nti akato dream says na ban amoa na.
Yeah.
Na brabo na nkoso no say ban no na ntoto no nti na life anya dey.
Life anya.
Ana say ne mama mans. Maybe.
Okay.
But to do baby a so this see say me a brabo impesa me dey. Mebo.
Besa mebo.
No that time no na kire say wadwuna ba.
Wadwuna ba ho so. Wow. Now you miss a bribi ha. Wo hwe enne krom ho edu baby no. Young boys wo use one adwene pa. Di beating crofo dupu crofo. Obehwe no your guys see bebre ha. O ma dupu abrofo dupu nipa bebre. Ofilisa we smart we use one adwene. Kwabra, is it the right way?
No credit the bobra.
No kware ene de bobra. Enye so be dupu nua. Obebo nua po.
Ani. Wo de obiro honeko. Na boni bia wodi bia no time beso.
O time beso.
Say de wo tu amana de wanim.
Obetom
bon krofo apo a amana de wanim na betom. We ask me hu de wabokro no ama nani age ama ne ho to no all through life no.
Debi.
Wan kasa no kra wo ya so ya otim say no abrabo we menye dey. Mempe. Enti say wo si dai foundation ye de no kre. So na Yesu ka bibi was no kra wonim no. The truth shall set you free.
No cry.
It's all the trouble bra. Bechichiro. No be always say bia no onim. O sorry out him so onim say brabo kwan me nam so nye say na nam pese me.
Nye say na pese me.
Me join say fa no kra bobra.
Right.
And men si sinipa e abotre any plan. Edumaden. Wo so by all means ukwa na won't give up obey.
When give up obey.
But so ko try bibi no change you adwuma na change no ma.
Yeah.
Wo go adwuma no na wan kasa so wabrabo no wo say no.
Wo so say no because when you be there wo so di nye
enye na brabo no sebe even though sika na ka ho pa no. Enye sika nkwa na onya e kire say we successful.
Okay.
Sometimes so family.
Right.
Komodin. Unamfofo see respect wo society. Wan kasa kra no sorry ase osi ohwe se bia waboa wo bi no ane so kan brabo no me mfa sika nibre nga se me na menya sika bi nko ade me fa tuo no makojo bi di
every be by a from Game Boys won any j obi a person enter into that into no one the answer was sorry internet so osi so ani what the American the mere pictures etum bi ti abrofo no not the wachi yes sir na ebi me ani bi wro wo ho kira abrofo no man will be say sika on kaminya be $1,000 bi a mepe mami £2,000 na obroni no nso na adwene mu no onim say wo ka no kwara kire no o so do o person no tena wo na wo asa wo mum na wo chase no ene ye de wo bia no picture sa na yemen last minute ni scan ba afi no wa block nipa no ene mo bebre asi kwabra emia na sa ene merema edi sa boni say we di kan no eye boni insunsanso ho ma wonti ase say ne awoye no wonhwe ne yiye ebi afamawu ebi kodne namnuru so wan famawu na da bia masema mekanisi yende ni akukudu de be kosuman so sa akukudu ne ni bi if say na da ne doso ya be kan sama church botan na kwabna to yamfo
internet na o pese wo de bokro no
yes
information a wo na enyentia the same internet in Crawford de nyesika o mo ya de pa
thank you
nti me dwen se wo creative idea wo talent
Right.
The only thing is that you are focusing on Adia Enye.
Right.
The same internet for the normal.
Right.
The same internet will be the affiliate marketing. The same internet will be a programming also. Intimidation says how the basis in Crawford. Na what's saying Crawford there? The same internet in Koso. Na fire there a buying to me.
Right.
And I say Enya Bonnet.
Okay.
Oh, Yamianim.
So Enya Bonnet.
Sir, also we will be away quality.
Yeah.
We are the pa.
Thank you.
So,
yes.
Na environment in the Kahun, now for I don't know Monamon, two of bonnie.
Yes.
But the audio, I don't know. I don't know. It's all dear papa. Morning, I would be a bonnet so with my energy, etc.
That's right.
Na Oyadepa.
Right.
I mean, to say, Ubruni Siminti, Besome Bonochrono.
Right.
Ubruni Sisiwa, said because so bit my transfer or no my
right.
Than say, Ubisino.
Right. Community can Cassano me share Adibioha, what could school do actually? Why, programs, baby, watch your books. Books are what you know, a be a perspective, a new perspective, and I'm the Chemo, Facebook. Bookie, make it 3 books were Resilient, right? And also any African map that come up, and a third one is Streamline. How to teach yourself money. When the first one will be to me at Chero, Sana Bay, I'll be Sikawa Brabum. Na Edumun Seminan, actually a best every week be a Quabna or Beba at least once in a week. Am I?
Yes, sir.
So about my
Annie.
I mean, Shelpa. Na yes, you are the Queen Befasua. Yabesua the baby. Queen Befasua, Yababra, a poboa, your boy, who is a jai. No quarrican, a idea, Eddie Mupa, you are Brabum. Yes, okay, no cry, do actually. Emma who ye. Right. And none no pay Quabra Medawasi. Me help ye. Namum next week about Oba me help pa. Oba me help pa, no Medawasi pa. And they send away see a buanga Grimafa. And I no pay. Cobra me show say, what you don't ma? A money I. Marie, or a Ganani.
Annie.
Or Ganani. I met him, Marie, let me say room, and I say,
there be.
Who say, Mary, aha, and I'm Pesa Mecano. We say Roman for a kind of Marie. Aha, into Mary now.
Audience where you're Bruni.
And you say Bruni.
There be.
Or a Ganani.
Oh, okay. Mammy and Sa.
Wow.
Right. And
wow. Or the cabinet is aware. A young namesake. Right. Miss the cabinet. Roman father also the cabinet.
Aha.
El payment and Casanso. Cobra no pay better was a pa. The better say you back books in one some. Na me coco can. Na met to me a signade. It's a mission party.
That's right.
Pa, the minister Miss Bebuame. A Bebuame pa na. Or I can say, I also have a friend who is employed as a barber.
Yes.
On a particular day, when I visited him, and then I buy Kaunka Kramame.
Oh, the boys, Hano. We say, Yina, doing so, was 2 coin. It's about 90%. 1 free Ghana, Unye. You got him catch us a penny or have you to coin. I know your way out. Since I'm sure, said the visa to her, Maranta Montra. If crowd fast, so when you said be at 1,000, be an 100 be. So stay back. We'll be net to your teams our programming agent, especially media, no Western media.
Right.
My catch say Africa, you're poor. The whole world.
Yes.
Yeah, team one can I accept to say they. Yeah, poor. Copims will go how had that would do happen in any so. The same thing I would draw riches out so heavy, me boy.
That's it.
I would draw says, I didn't chase her.
Yeah.
In Tibabano, or Jane said, a Juma way in a knee so because what James would draw America obey. We drew England obey. I'm going to say, Massa, Tobwasi. Now, you might always so sunny. That's what me be about Kumi, Numi, and Naya. Service officer to Quagrana or Quawantra, Obeba. So, now, Obita Brocho, you mammy, Numi, and Sa. Mean to say, no, Yadineska. Debbie, and no, a survivor, Tokai, the Todai. But millionaires, or their dream, and a num.
Thank you.
And the Nympha business, investment, Sika, and a chere. Sika obenya wo wiase.
Inti sebe ya obey and then vampire bon.
Some go for bompire.
Yes, so
Ghana economy.
Yeah.
Sebe. Some pire ebo kro nya agro. Ko Nigeria go.
That's it.
Entoto ye. Edi eba nyempa bo.
Okay. Entoto ye na de
because ye religious nti ye pese ye de religion wura bibia mu.
Bibia ye de wura mu.
But bibi how de wura ma nye ye.
Emfa.
Da bi. Entoto ye enyimde e wo ho. So radio adwuma yi sebe nyempa na mo de hyehyɛ no ma.
Da bi.
obi nim hu nyansa ntino otimi aye.
Thank you.
Betuma bo empire from anopa to anwumre.
Yeah.
Medwen say ye die te saa.
Yeah.
Obi catch us obo empire obi ya na chese ne obi obo empire bi aye den. Ayeye. Enka ho a productivity. Ye wa create a wo to ne nipa hia.
Yeah.
A wo toto no ma ye na be mo ayeye.
Na be mo ayeye.
Wo obi on mo empire da.
Right.
Osika China for your no empire be no bo.
Wo mo empire. Itu Osika.
Osika. Yeah, tia bo empire no. Isika no way. Cause nim die. Ene de yeye.
Nim tie ne die.
So obi pese odi wawu a o say obo empire a sebe nyame be shirawo. Nyame wo shirai. So my gold, diamond, oil. So anye ni ye na wo be fa be hiam.
Thank you. Be hiam. Kwabro being da kwena no pe meda wase pa 36 minutes after 9 meda wase na nyansa ni ba ko futim ye ne ya dusuane de bia be ko suasuane de na no pe ye meda wase ni books watch on be a streamline how to teach yourself money financial education kwa be fa so abedi wo benya sika me pa chawo enye po bo debi any your perspective how to develop the mindset to start and build your business. How to develop courage and strength as an entrepreneur, agriculture, identity, freedom, politics, business, right? And when you bring me watch your books, watch your books and how long?
Perspective here, 2016.
2016 perspective in 2016. What's your man?
There's a way to tuma.
Yeah.
Sebe, ye hunisa.
Right.
Two bones or tears only patuntum de Yami and Shirano.
Yeah.
We corrupt.
Yeah.
We are born bad. I know what you're correct.
And you're correct.
And you're correct that saying Yami or boy, no.
Yeah.
Yeah, dear, yeah, papa. You're correct. A history will be a train.
Yeah.
Because you're Tony and Crawford.
Yeah.
You was any patin to manage or identity crisis.
Thank you.
Oh,
yeah.
Oko Square as a men country.
Cambrofo.
Medin Quabnada, Koko Square as a cofa, because we didn't do heavier any year. So, Oka, sorry, the ma, almost the years were born in a brew. Now, yes, you know, free England. No, for England.
No, for England.
And you're likely say yes, you know.
Nenny blue.
And I say Bruni.
Thank you.
Bruni, a critic, sir.
Yes.
What's a mini Bruni a pet? And into the year, you might call it Shabronia. Yes, you call sorry, no Shabronia. Sankofi, Yamiano. Two was the pictures of Moya, no my Bonsami to me.
Sir,
subconsciously, you're just inferior.
Right.
Now, the audio correcting on the right history and your brother from the tray.
Okay.
By yeah, and Cassayatre
and Cassayatre.
And yet, can take
any
Hinaman Kwan.
Yeah.
Knowledge a Kutawa. So could a contract now you're buying penny. I won't find my China.
Debbie
will be built on crop.
That's
one repairs are the now. Who brew new pet?
So, yes, I need
Debbie to come from your own answer.
Yeah.
But to call Chromecast audience inferior. And maybe one of the major things also here, Africans, is to repair that.
Is to repair.
Yeah. That. So that who say technology and you bring technology.
Right.
Technology and humanity.
Humanity.
So ability to read and write. And you bring in the buy.
Right.
But once you ask our history now, all started history, all the best started on our brother by near Tony and Crawford. Also, it's a weak position.
Right.
The Tembia no was a more Casapa number than what from the open for me, bro, you know, Casa. Because one can you know, no, you're confused as a young man.
Right.
Because also called you mamma, I'm not taking a bocrono. Yeah, Gana need any.
Yeah.
We say, come bonino ama. Papa cry in your day.
Debbie,
you, but to be bow who papa okuma.
That's it.
So, yeah, and there's one proper information. Ube negativity.
Right.
Ube fear.
Right.
That's how no money a dominanta. In Shabia Yamida Mabiano. So, Tia Papa Wakra won't pay. Just offer stress.
Offer stress. I wouldn't so going so no a 50-50. Which would be able to
okay.
Yes.
Now pay you my about 200 a month. To Libya.
Libya.
Dubai.
That's right.
We'll move and so still audience a yes no.
Yes.
The problem is no money.
Okay.
The problem is self-identity.
Wow. The problem is
it's self-identity.
Self-identity.
It is one correct side now. There's no freedom.
Right.
Nipa, so when you're free, Abra will need the right self-knowledge.
Okay.
So when you say I will be so mammy they say free here.
Yeah.
So when you if you are 10 on or in papa,
that's
you need to know you're strong.
Right.
Your sense of history is so critical.
Right.
Now Sebe actually wrongly. And into nipa tuntum bebre so I go school so school. So ya cry so penny so you ska.
Yeah.
Or the fan bar not then go to school.
Yeah. Kwabino being Jackena no pay once again. My men now say DLT if we had was a pass or buy na what just what body am I? Now somebody can you only be brave sunya. I'll be wine now could be ano yen sabekan with diamoha.
Yes sir.
Na I think say yan every Monday ana
Okay. You beat me. Which my shade
Monday. Okay.
That me in your home so.
Okay.
My draw attention.
What draw my attention?
But the way you know, yeah, papa.
Sure.
Knowledge ya, you did sir.
Yeah.
You did grow. You did sports. You did entertainment, religion.
Yeah.
We crew him. Knowledge you did develop your home. You did industrialize as a nation.
Yeah.
It's and some knowledge na na guye nyina yitrim.
Okay.
You won't say a brand to be a crowd, ye band to it's all about entertainment.
Yes.
China for no creative BBA.
Yes.
Because my brain and normal more processing is different.
Different.
The moment you bet you be koso.
Yeah.
Now brand energy says no chrome na so do by friends bodia.
Yeah.
So do banchia. On your case.
Na
sa banchi na don one plot no. It ma be 10 acres.
10 acres.
I'm na industrialist.
Right.
See the son of man shame trim. No one train. Also try and buy the obeche.
O try na obeche. Because abankra so near you may be ade mo. Thank you for coming. It's in me aduma on next week on.
Yes sir.
All right, thank you sir. Okay, Kwabno being dark when you're turning Kane as entrepreneur. Of course. Yes. Yada was a na no pay ready and count home. 18 minutes to hit the hour of 10. Mr. Douglas, once again, happy birthday going out to you. Yamwadi jawo da shronko wati. Ene da frofro. Da shronko. Ewa brabom. Mr. Christo. So where the film new fibem nyina rade omo ho ban fama yen. Sene be ya da bia na ye benya ni je. Ni akaika ye ho say Oh, I feel when you baby.
DLFM 106.9.
Indeed, Diana Hamilton, Utie, my brother Willie Ashley, DL 106.9, and that's what we're keep listening, don't change that time.
DLFM 106.9.
Say sorry now for your call, and I no pay riding count. Kwabno being that kuko suku e brochiri. And now no pay San America was a one so akwenya na beto the amount. It is a woman akwenya na so because ku brochiri. Of course, why not? Uko sunya de ba ja wodi abeya dwuma de abo mangana. Na won so wetumi akọ wani mpa. That's how we do it. Okay, into Trinity of Ag Limited Company was a more asonte. Suku apesa uko se dwuma na pesa uko ye we brochiri so. Akwenya da amount says summer holidays na pesa uko. Be pacha obetumi tu wana mo. Na busa make kan asem yin be pacha. Where local and international tourism. Local and international recruitment of international and local ticket sales, event organization, international and local hotels and apartment agents. Won you mad doso. And you're going to pay. Ebi ameka se open down ahaya. We betumi aboa. Open down achen we betumi aboa. So we busu ebi apese ebi ameka se wo fie buruchiri obeba. Ana so pese okoto mo koto a. Akwanya da ho. We betumi aboa. Oni nyina ma wo so ani agye. Nti no wo pese otukwan so ekwa buruchiri ma no ne ba bi a woton ticket kan bi. Nti mpacha obetumi afre telephone number si a mede ma wi. Ma me sam mo so bi omfama ho. 020 55 720 76 020 55 72 076 and I'll say 0244 062 389 0244 062 389 Jumedia Midibrewi, meeting the Willie Ashley Seal. Micro Hana Midobesi, me first like as Sabrin for my technical man in the studio. Yes, Mr. Douglas, birthday boy. It's your day today. A Radinka home. No DJ Bakwa Medoni, Papa Debbie Michian. My friend DJ Extra. I'm a sigh. Come on. I'm a sigh. I'm a sigh. I'm a sigh. Mr. Douglas, once again, happy birthday going out to you. Afi Efiba. I said I can see your dear. Inshaba. I said I can see your dear. Kofi Taylor. Abefu Frona Diangnam so Ketcha Brampa. Reporter Mr. Michael Kote. Reporter. Van Onusian reporter back on war. Eastern region at Chimmantem Ho. Yatin Wunyanka. Well, Fred Nano pay me that was a papa Radinka. The rest of the programs at you also. And Chakra Roman Father. About you also. Yes. No do I call question no to be in Bebo. And when you know Nanajua Silky, in Commodemo Himia, or also have a soul. So if you know to be a question, no be a son, no be a son so bar, on the Sucramana face, Silver Lady. Call herself for short, on the sub Chromo. Then what you know, DJ Hitman, so have a soul. So yes. And the pejoma made Babeja when you see car, ASC, Biwati, in Nina, Nadachinti, and now Emma Yaja young boy row, then yes, be a baby. Mr. Winyasika, in Nina, why? Yami, I do my own channel. From away until da. From until da. And then could not uncle. Hey, I'll win 19. A ya jambo rain and any fentira. Open Mochina, if you are assembly to move. Ochina, if you are be a bomb. When you see Cassie, I said from Matioda, and then could not uncle. I'll hit Tina, a ya jambo rain and any fentira. Open Mochina, if you are assembly to move. Ochina, if you are be a bomb, when you see Cassie, when you see Cassie, do I? Open Mochina, be an assembly to war. Ochina, if you are be a bomb, when you see Cassie, when you see Cassie, if you want it. Obini mochina ebiana sembia tuwo. Obini mochina ebiana erebia bonwo. When you see Cassie, see ebi oh, see ebi. When you see Cassie.